What'd you say? Yeah, see, I had a girl. Okay, now I'm gonna let you know this ain't a question and answer show. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna need you to politely shut the fuck up, okay? Respectfully. White woman, you know, they didn't do what they wanted, you know. But